Hi, Nana's thinking of you. Another Elephant and Piggie book. Pigs make me sneeze. That's not good. Because Piggie's one of the elephant's best friends. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want Yes? Elephant's getting ready. What? A swim? A ball? A hat? Achoo! Elephant had a big sneeze. Sniff. Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! Blew Piggie right over, didn't he? Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh, that would be terrible. That would be terrible for the friends. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. That would be so sad. But Gerald, no, do not speak. Elephant is very sad. Look at the tears in his eyes. It's too late. Achoo! Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Piggie is very sad. Looks like the doctor is going to look at Gerald maybe. Gerald is very sad too. He's crying. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Cat's listening to his heart. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. He falls down. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Well, that's good news. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I think that's what's wrong with Nana. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Why is he happy that he's sick? I'm not happy that I'm sick. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Now who has the cold? Piggy. I hope I didn't give you my cold. I love you so much. Thanks for listening.